Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
1999 Ford Mustang 35 anniversary. Really sexy car. Look at that back wheels on that sucker. I love the wheel setup on it. That's a nice stagger set. Anyways, what we got done on it, 4 converters, 2 there, factory H-pipe. And then he watched a few of our videos and said, I want the MAGNAFLOWS, part number 11236. We said we can deliver. So as you guys can see, there's the 2 MAGNAFLOWS there and there. And then it's got factory tailpipes out the back on each side, right there, and factory tips out the back, angle cut, 3-inch angle cut tips there and there. And it is a GT, so it's gonna sound really nice. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I have a question. Tell me which body style you guys like more. This one, or the newer one after this one, or the newest one that came out, the Coyote. Let me know in the comments. And like always, guys, subscribe. Here's sound decibels. Once they break in, they get about 10% louder. About 30 days. Again. Right at 94.2. Go ahead and back it up. She's really clean, man. How long you had it?
A year.
Really? It's clean. Yeah. That sounds good. She's mint though. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. $1999 Ford Mustang mint. It's got 195,000 miles on it, guys. I can't believe that. That's crazy how clean it is for that many miles. He got it out of Alabama about a year ago. He's been fixing it ever since. He did an awesome job on it. There she goes. With MAGNAFLOWS 14-inch bodies.